Money and investment. How much do you need to be happy? The Nobel Prize winner Daniel Kahneman did some research which has just been debunked. In 2010, the research said about $75,000. It was a US-based study. Roughly $75,000 per year would lead to happiness, and then happiness plateaus. Doesn't get more happier. You don't get more happier with more money. However, more recent research suggests that happiness keeps increasing with the more money you have. So to answer that age-old question, can money buy happiness? The latest research suggests it can, but there is one important caveat. And that important caveat is you've got to start off as a happy person. If you're a miserable person to begin with, then more money isn't going to make you happier. If you're a happy person to begin with, more money will indeed make you happier. Now, this is academic research. I've summarized it because a lot of you say, what if you are on your deathbed in Africa, etc., on $1 a year? Yes, we get it. This is American-based research on the US and Western economies. And there's a lot of caveats to what I've said. But in general terms, the bottom line is, before you get money, get happy. Because whether or not the money comes, it's win-win. Anyway, I just thought I'd better share that with you. Stop being a miserable bugger. If you want more of these videos on Nobel Prize-winning economic research and how you can apply it to your everyday life, please save, like, follow, or comment. If you do that, the video will go to more people. If it goes to more people, then I'll do more of these because I'll get more viewers and I'll know I'm not speaking to an empty room. So let me know I'm not speaking to an empty room, please. Thank you.